Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubraj. As usual, today also I'm here to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future 4th July to 8th July 2022. I believe that you are following my video and be profitable. Last week, I predicted that the market that will go up to 12,200. From that level, it will go down exactly as my prediction it happened. Okay, previous week the market that was quite bullish, and then people they were thinking that the market is going to be bullish, but I told you that market is not going to be bullish. Still it is not, it is bearish. It is just trying to be bullish, and it hasn't been confirmed. That's the reason I told you that do not into the buying market, just sell it. And then I gave you exact the point. I gave you that definitely it will go 12,200, and from that level it is very difficult to cross that level, and then it will come back from that level exactly as my prediction. It happened the same, and if you have followed my last video, you might be definitely profitable last week. Okay, so now let's go for this week. What will happen for this week? Yeah, it is a very difficult to predict this week, because the market on Friday it gained some point. Still the market is clearly in the bearish point. It tries to make a base in this level 11,300. This level market is trying to make it a base. If it cannot break this level, then definitely market will bounce back from this level, and crossing this level it will be bearish market. There is no doubt that it will be bearish market, and currently the market that is in immediate support, immediate resistance point, immediate resistance 11,600. That's the immediate resistance. You should understand that how it react as the market open. Probably it can open the few point down from that level. It can keep on going down, some bounce back, keep on going again down, bounce back again, and going down. It might be one prediction. It can happen like this if it opens below the Friday closing level, but as it crosses this level 11,600, next level definitely that will be 11,800. That will be the major resistance. The major resistance that was 12,200 last week, but it has changed this week, and it has been now 11,800. As it crosses that level, from this level the Nasdaq 100 can collect some buyers, and then that makes it bounce back. Okay, bounce back to this level 12,200. Up to that level we can see, okay, is the market crosses this 11,800, this level. You need to understand this is the crucial point for the buyers. Okay, so do not be trapped, do not buy until it crosses this level. When it crosses this level, then it is good sign to go market up to 12,200. Okay, so in between 12,200 to 11,800, I believe maximum it will be like that in this week. And then Monday, Tuesday we don't have any data. That's the reason it will move only in between 11,300 to 11,800. It will not break this level or this level. These are Monday, Tuesday, these are 2 days. They will be, it will move up to this level sideways like that, and then on Wednesday it will break the either support level or resistance level, and then it can bounce, back to this level, or it dive below 11,000. So let's see first the data. What type of data are going to be released in this week, and based on that I will make my prediction, and that will be helpful to trade in this week and be profitable. Okay, let's see those data. All right. So as I already said, Monday and Tuesday there is no data. Wednesday we have ISM prediction 54.5, previous it was 55.9, and Wednesday again we have another data at 10 o'clock, job opening prediction 11.050 million, previous 11.400 million. Both data are not good for Nasdaq 100. Next one, Wednesday, another 2 o'clock FOMC meeting. We have a 2 o'clock. Next data, Thursday, non-farm payroll prediction a bit higher. That's 200K, and the previous that is 128K. Next, Thursday, 8:30, initial jobless claim prediction 230K, previous 231K, 1K less prediction. Again Thursday, crude oil inventory 11 o'clock, prediction that is minus 0.569, previous minus 2.762 million. Friday 8:30, non-farm payroll prediction 270K, previous 219K, and the final one is 8:30 Friday, unemployment rate prediction 3.6, previous was also 3.6. Okay, so these are the data. Okay, these are the data, and these data definitely affect the market. Now let's make the prediction. Okay, so what will happen, whether it will go up or it will go down. Okay, so prediction. Okay, market is in bearish mode. You should understand that. Definitely it's in bearish mode. If it is bearish mode, what you need to do, you should not buy it at this moment. Okay, so in order to buy, at least you should have some confirmation. Okay, until you get any confirmation, do not make buy. Market is in a bearish market. Okay, it is definitely bearish. Okay, and it is very high chance to break 11,000. If it breaks 11,000, then next step that will be 10,800. If it crosses 11,800, market can go some point up, probably 12,200. Okay, 12,200. If it cross, then definitely we can see that level. Under 11,800 will be selling opportunity. Okay, if it doesn't cross this level, then sell it. Okay, with tight stop loss, sell it. Okay, and another thing is that if the market opens gap down, sell it. Okay, if it opens gap down today, sell it. Next thing, 11,300, that has a significant support, as I already told you, and at it crosses, there is a high chance to go market below 11K. Considering data and market trend, this week can be higher gain if the data are positive, or higher gain loss if the data are negative. So this week it is very crucial to cross any label, support label or resistance label, support or resistance. So it is expected to go more than 1K up or down this week. That's the reason. Be prepared for that and trade as per this prediction. Do your own research and then trade carefully. If you have any question, any issue, just you can comment in this comment box below, and then I will respond to those questions. If you like this video, just like it, okay, and then subscribe this video so that you will never miss any of my video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.